God is saying to you today, I know you are going through a difficult time in your life right now, and you are dealing with multiple circumstances and a lot of emotional pain. It seems as through before you can get through one thing, another thing happens. I don't always still the storm around you. Sometimes I still the storm raging in you. Do not faint. I am strengthening you in areas that you cannot see right now. You and I will get through this together. Like we always do, everything will be alright. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe the channel